everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Red and Kitchen. Do you have 10 minutes? We can have some coffee together, and meanwhile I will tell you this new and delicious recipe. It's a time for a friendship, right? If you have zucchini, tuna and a bit of Parmesan, stay here. I will tell you step by step a quick, simple and cheap recipe. Starting from ingredients, we have a fillet of tuna, but you can use the canned tuna, zucchini. I love them, especially in this season. Their taste, their sweetness, it's mamma mia. Pasta. I'm using bavette, it's sort of spaghetti, but you can use any type of. But when I cook fish, and especially tuna, I love this kind of pasta. Even more important, because since we have few ingredients, we have to give a good sprint. We have to boost their flavors. How? Spices. I have butter and homemade mixture of parsley, just blending parsley, a bit of basil and garlic, olive oil, black pepper. It's done. And Parmesan. In this case I have 16 months Parmesan and black pepper. So few elements, nice result. We move to the preparation. We have to cut our zucchini. We smash one garlic. We move to the next step. We prepare our pan, olive oil, garlic, and our parsley mixture. Slowly the flame. We need to toast them slowly, otherwise we risk to burn. And also we give time to absorb the flavors of these elements. Slowly, meanwhile, we sip some coffee. When it's almost ready, we add our zucchini. We increase the flame a bit more and we toast each side. A bit of salt, we leave them for 5-10 minutes. We don't have pressure, right? Slowly with calm, we back from the office and we are enjoying our meal. So we prepare the pan for our pasta. When it's almost ready, we add our salt. It will increase the temperature and it will boil faster. We add our pasta and we wait. So 10 minutes, but before it will get al dente, we have to remove, because we have to finish the preparation with our zucchini. So when we are like 7 minutes, we drain our pasta there and slowly we pour our water from pasta. It will the spaghetti releases all the amide and it will make the cream we want. It's ready. We remove from the fire and we go to the final step, the most important. So we take the butter, at this point we pour the Parmesan. our tuna. So we break it, we put it, we put our pasta, and we put on top our fillet of tuna, spots of parsley mixture, and we will finish. Parmesan, we grind black pepper on top. Guys, we are ready. The result was amazing. Also, I shared with my roommate. We enjoyed the evening. Simple, quick, 10-15 minutes is ready, and I spent less than 10 euros. I hope you like this video. I invite you to taste it at home, and please let me know on comments if you already tried this recipe, this combination, if you have in mind something different. If you would like to support me, you can find the link below for the subscription. I will keep you in touch with new contents. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. See you.